like as you told that there are a lot of jobs opening, how,
Hmm.
how easy or how difficult it is to get a dentist job after getting the ADC license and everything cleared?
Dentist job is not difficult to get, to tell you the truth. So most of the dentists who are working here, right, they are mostly immigrants. Important to understand. Very few Australian, like there are, I wouldn't deny the fact, but not as much as we Asians and Indians. Like we like to study a lot. We like to become like give in those years. So many of them are us. A lot of job opportunities are present. Lots and lots of job opportunities are present. So there is not no shortage at all. Yes, you take some time to find the right job. That is for sure because everyone works differently.
Hmm.
But that's about it.
Okay, and how to apply for jobs? Like, is it through online medium or we have to personally go and visit the clinics?
No, so you look for jobs via seek.com. So there's a site called seek.com, indeed.com,
Hmm.
and then you might have some forums on Facebook as well where you're looking for jobs. They advertise for the jobs. If you feel that yes, it's suiting your criteria, it's close to your place, you're happy to go and see what's happening.
Hmm.
They usually leave your email address. You send them a cover letter, you send them your CV, and then you wait for their reply or follow up in a week's time as to what's happening, and then that's how it goes. There's usually an interview for sure because it's a job, obviously, but that's about it.
Okay. And what salary can they expect? Generally.
Right. This is a good question. It is basic start, I would say, will be easy 80,000-90,000 per annum.
Okay.
So that comes to
For the
40,
general
45
dentist. Okay.
for a general dentist, and that is the basic. But once you start gaining experience, it's pretty good. It could be around probably 2-3 years down the line, 130, 150 would be the minimum. 100,
Very good.
130,000 to 150,000 should be the
Okay.
case.
Awesome.
But there are dentists who are like 4-5 years down the line and they earn like 300, 350,000 per annum.
Okay.
So
Okay,
yeah.
that's huge.
Yeah, that's huge. That's
Yeah.
far off, but yes, that is what I've heard as well. So yeah.
Okay, great. And how is the specialist? Like you have done your masters in India, right?